Hey, how's it going guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about delete method of the map object. So what we're gonna do is var map1 equals new map and use that function, and we will use map1 dot set. Use the set method, pass two parameters. One will be bad and other will be foo. When we're done with that, what we're gonna do is log it on a console map1. So first, and the other we're gonna do is log it on a console and use the map1 dot has method. So if we directly do that, what we're gonna get is true. See, it's true because it has that. But when we gonna use that delete method, it's gonna say false. It returns as a boolean that it has not the the address of it. So this we're gonna do. So deletes inside the map. So that's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.